This is our refrigerator lines. If you have an inquiry, give us a call and give us the number you see. Number 1, 3-door, GE profile, 36-inch wide, water on door. Number 2 is 33-inch wide, the handles are in the back, GE profile. Number 3 is a Genair 42-inch built-in refrigerator. It's a Genair. You can put a stainless steel panels on it. Number 4, it's a Whirlpool Gold latest model 3-door refrigerator. Number 5, it's same 36-inch wide. There's a dent in the bottom, and it's a GE profile. Number 6, GE profile Arctica. It's a counter depth refrigerator, all stainless steel. Number 7, latest model Electrolux side by side refrigerator, no dent or scratches. Number 8, 36-inch wide built-in, 24-inch built-in GE monogram custom cabinet, or you can put a stainless steel cabinet, stainless steel panels. LG 33-inch wide. Number 9. Number 10, all freezer or all refrigerator, beverage air, made in US. It's 24-inch wide. This is the top of the line Thermador, 48-inch wide, all freezer, all refrigerator. Top of the line, retails $10,000, plus you buy the panels and all these stuff extra comes from the manufacturer. This is the latest model Thermador. And this is the freezer side. Like you see, it's been plugged in and is 35 degrees. On the refrigerator side and the freezer side, -2 Fahrenheit. Number 13, that's a GE actually latest model white refrigerator. 36-inch wide, and this is our LG 36-inch wide, water and ice and door, 3.0. This is Kenmore Elite, 36-inch wide, water and door. Kenmore Elite number 17, 3.0, water, ice and door. It's been plugged in, passed all the tests. LED lights, very beautiful. Electrolux, latest model Electrolux, 3-door, 3.0, 36-inch wide. Number 18, 19, GE profile, 33-inch wide. Trio. Samsung black side-by-side refrigerator. What a nice sun door. Very small scratch, dent here, hardly noticeable. That's about it. Don't see anything noticeable. GE profile number 21, 36-inch wide. Number 22, garage refrigerator. You can use it as a freezer or refrigerator, whichever you want to decide. And these are Gladiator, made by Whirlpool. Number 23, same thing, 33-inch wide. And number 24, all freezer. And this is all refrigerator. We're just missing the stainless steel panel. It's all working good. And 26, 36-inch water nice indoor built-in GE monogram. Missing the top panel. 48-inch GE monogram, older style, in great working condition. KitchenAid, 42-inch wide, built-in custom cabinet. We can install stainless steel panels on it. Number 28. GE monogram, 36-inch wide, top and bottom freezer refrigerator. 48-inch Gen Air, stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator. Very small dent. We can take that 99% off. And there's a Kenmore Pro refrigerator, side by side, number 30. Number 31, it's a Frigidaire, side by side, with a very small thing here. You buy it really cheap. Normally they're expensive, but it's brand new. 33, KitchenAid, built-in. We have the top panel, it's all complete. The left door skin is $270 and is in great shape. The 42-inch wide KitchenAid refrigerator, and it's a 36-inch built-in GE monogram. Need a front panel because it's bad here. We can order those. Lots of ice makers, 15-inch and 15-inch ice makers, GE monogram, GE profile, KitchenAid, Whirlpool, all kind of mixture.